The dust collector may be referred to as a unit or machine that is basically used to enhance the air quality coming out of the factory or industry due to industrial and commercial processes. This is done by the dust collector by collecting dust particles and other impurities from the air or gas. The dust collector has been designed to handle immense loads, very high volume. A typical dust collector would consist of a blower, dust filter, the filter cleaning system and a dust removal system. This dust collector could be differentiated from the other filters or air cleaning devices by the fact that they use disposable filters to remove dust. Pulse jet engines are characterized by simplicity, low cost of construction, and high noise levels. While the thrust-to-weight ratio is excellent, thrust-specific fuel consumption is very poor. There are two filter bags. They are supported through the use of wire cages. There are numerous models that have water trap mechanism and remove the contaminants from the air in the working environment. Total amount of contaminated air flows through the pulse jet collectors, and this happens due to the blower fan. The other standard model have an inbuilt timer which mainly triggers the cleaning process. When the timer goes off, then the valve opens due to the elevated air tension forcing. This process pressurizes the contaminated air to be cleaned. A burst of compressed air pumps the contaminated air into the device which is to be cleaned. Once the contaminated air inside the device is cleaned, the valve will drain out, or it can be manually drained depending on the model. Most of them have a Venturi nozzle which is used for aiding the directional flow of the air during the filtration process. They function continuously and give an excellent working environment which consists of influx of quality indoor air. The dust-laden air enters the pulse jet filter at the dirty air plenum where it expands and air velocity drops. This results in optimum air and dust distribution. Heavy particles are collected in the hopper of the dirty air plenum. The dust-laden air then passes through the filtered media, depositing the fine dust on the outside of the dust collection bags. Each bag is regularly cleaned by a reversed jet of compressed air. The timer activates the valves at predetermined intervals on a continuous cycle. A short burst of compressed air is released and injected by the jet tube into the filter pad. This causes a brief controlled inflation of the pad to dislodge the accumulated dust cake into the collection facility.